Hey guys, welcome back to my channel IT Man. Today I'm gonna show you how you can remove BitLiker from your drive in Windows 10. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Without wasting time, let's start the video. To remove BitLiker from your driver in Windows 10, you should fire up PowerShell. You should go through search bar in start menu and you should type power, and then you should scroll down and find Windows PowerShell. Double click on that and then you should put this command and hit enter. Everything finished. So what's that command? You should put this command disable and BitLiker and mount point, and then you should type the name of that driver that you put BitLiker on that. For example, E, and then hit enter. Everything finished, and now you remove BitLiker from this drive, in my case E. Thanks for watching to this small video. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Bye.